guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy here, and today I'm back with a new video. And this look is basically inspired by the weather, as the winter is here, and I'm gonna show you how I created this advanced everyday kind of makeup look. It's very subtle, very simple, and very easy to follow up. So let's get into the video. So let's get started with primer, and for today's makeup look I'm gonna use this primer from Becca, and as you guys know I love this primer, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Moving on to foundation. For foundation, I'm using this by CoverGirl. I'm just gonna take a few pumps on my hand and I'm going for more of a natural look, so I'm not gonna go too much on foundation. To concealer. For concealer I'm gonna use this from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It does feel like a little too light, but it's not after you blend it. So I'm just blend it with the same beauty blender. You can see how beautifully this concealer has blended, and it doesn't look like it's too white on the face. Now before setting my face, I'm gonna use my liquid blush, and this is the one I'm using today. It's from Rare Beauty and it's the shade Happy. A little bit on my nose. Now the blush is done. I'm gonna set my face with the loose powder from Mercier. It's the shade Translucent. face is set, I'm gonna move on to a little bit contouring because I'm not gonna contour too much. And for contouring, I have picked this palette up. It has some really nice shades. It's gonna be very light contour. Blush, I'm using this blush from Sephora. The name's so funny. The name is Shame on You. This is the shade. It's a really pretty shade. What I love about it is that it doesn't have any shimmers. I hate shimmers in the blush. This highlighter from Becca. It's the shade Pearl. It's like very silver kind of shade. I have this really pretty palette from Anastasia Beverly, and it has some really pretty shades. I'm just gonna go with these two today. So I'm going a little natural makeup look. So I'm gonna take this brush and use this shade on the outer corner. And now I'm using the other pink shade and using this brush. And I'm just gonna place the shade on the lid. This is a really pretty pink shade. So I'm just gonna repeat the same on this side. And the eyes are done. Now I'm gonna move to eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I'm gonna use a brown one today, not a black one. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Kate Von D, and this is the shade Mad Max Brown 20. Only this much for today. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now that my lashes are curled, I'm gonna use a mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna use this by Sephora. I just got this one and it's really good. Eyes are done, and for brows I'm gonna use this 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Lips, I'm gonna use this as a lip liner, and it's from Dominic, and it's the shade Crush, I guess. Yeah, it's the shade Crush. And now to fill it in, I'm gonna use this lipstick from MAC. It's the shade Brave. I love this lipstick. It's my favorite. I'm just gonna use this lip oil kind of thing on top. It just looks nice. I'm not sure where is it from. It doesn't say any. And I also added a little bit of highlighter on the inner corners, the same highlighter I used on the face. And the look is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful in any way, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I'm up with a new video. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.